Hey sewists, want to impress your guests without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn normal, boring plates into chic, one-of-a-kind dining pieces using fabric. For this project, we will need glass plates, Mod Podge, a brush or roller to apply, scissors, isopropyl alcohol, an Exacto knife, and of course, our fabric. We decided to go with the Smooth exclusive Rogue Realized cotton voile. But the fun thing about this project is that you can use different patterns based on the season or special occasion. You could use elegant florals for the spring, or our picnic patisserie print for a fun take on summer dining wear, our baked fresh print for unique dessert plates, or even something more abstract like our statuary print. The choice is yours. A great tool to help you find the perfect fit is our fabric quiz. Try it out. The link is in the description below. Before we get started, we need to make sure that our plates are 100% clean. Remove any stickers and use isopropyl alcohol to remove any residues. Next, lay out your fabric and use the plate to find where you would like the pattern to lay for your final design. Oh, but I love this. This is like my favorite part. There we go. Perfect. We can then use our plate as a stencil and trace around our plate with a pencil or tailor chalk. Make sure to add an inch of seam allowance so we get a cleaner final edge later. Now we are going to cut our fabric using our golden shears, of course. With our fabric now ready, we can apply the Mod Podge to the bottom of the plate. Open up this Mod Podge. Do you guys remember this being Mod Podge or Mod Podge? Because I grew up saying Mod Podge. Comment down below. Okay, there we go. We got it open. How much? Let's just do a lot. Apply a heavy coat and make sure to cover the entire plate. Okay, we gotta get it everywhere. So I'm gonna just pick it up a little bit, hold it like this, so I can actually get the edges. Really make sure it's coated everywhere. If you can find it, we would also recommend buying dishwasher-safe Mod Podge, but since we are using regular Mod Podge, these plates will be for hand washing only. Now we are going to apply our fabric. All right, are we ready for the exciting part? All right, let's go. Align the center of your fabric with the plate and slowly roll the face of the fabric onto it, slowly smoothing out as we go. We are trying to avoid catching any air bubbles or creating wrinkles in our fabric. Take your time. And once you finish, make sure to go back and smooth out the edges of the plate as well. With our fabric now placed, we can now apply a second coat of Mod Podge to fully saturate the fabric. Here we go, round two. It's literally just absorbing. Okay, here we go. Then we can go back around the plate and smooth out any wrinkles or edges. Now we need to trim the excess fabric from around the plate. Try tilting the scissors out as you cut for a cleaner edge, and again smooth out any wrinkles or edges before drying. Now we are going to wait an hour to allow the Mod Podge to dry before coming back to apply our second and final coat. While the first plate is drying, this is a great time to get a head start on the rest of your dining set. We let them sit and dry. Put that final coat of Mod Podge on. Put an extra thick coat on there and make a mess. Making a mess for this project is required. I'm so happy with it. I cannot wait to see them. All right, guys, we just applied our second coat of Mod Podge, and now we're gonna wait a full 24 hours to let it dry. And we are back. It's been 24 hours, and I'm so excited to see how the plates turned out. They look amazing so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take isopropyl alcohol and just get any of like the Mod Podge off that got on it. And I'm gonna take an Exacto knife and just clean up all the edges. Be extremely careful and make sure to cut away from your body. Trim any excess fabric from the edges of the plate for a seamless finish. I am so excited. These plates turned out absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to use them for my next dinner party. And I hope you had just as much fun as I did creating these DIY fabric plates. Thank you for joining us today. Check out Mood's fabric quiz to find the perfect fabric for your own DIY fabric plates. Be sure to show us what you made using the hashtag MadeWithMood. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when our next sewing video is released. What type of tutorial would you like to see from Mood next? Let us know in the comments below.